Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to optimize prompts in Google AI Studio in 2026. If you want more accurate, detailed, and consistent AI responses, this guide will walk you through the best prompt optimization techniques step by step. First, open your web browser and sign in to Google AI Studio using your Google account. Once you're on the dashboard, create a new prompt or open an existing one that you'd like to improve. Next, clearly define your objective. Instead of writing a short request, explain exactly what you want the AI to do. Include details about the topic, tone, format, audience, and expected length of the response. Now provide enough context to help the AI understand your request. The more relevant information you include, the more accurate and useful the generated response will usually be. Next, if you want the output in a specific format, mention it directly. For example, ask for a numbered list, a table, a step-by-step guide, a professional email, or a beginner-friendly explanation. Click Run or Generate and carefully review the result. If it doesn't match your expectations, refine your prompt by adding clearer instructions or removing unnecessary information, then generate another response. Continue testing different versions of your prompt until you consistently receive the quality of output you're looking for. Finally, save your best-performing prompts so you can reuse them in future projects and maintain consistent AI-generated results. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to optimize prompts in Google AI Studio step by step. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.